Hey guys, my name is Bobby from Brightnex LED, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a 110 volt strip light. First, you get the tube pin, insert it inside the wires in the strip light. After that, you get the power cord, simply plug it in to the power cord. There you go, and that's how you connect it. These are a couple of our accessories that we carry for this strip light. This is a double end connector. This is our butt-to-butt connector. This is our L-shaped 90-degree angle connector. T-shaped connector. 2-hole strap. Strap it down wherever you want to mount it. Just like that. It's cuttable every 19 inches. There's a gap between the chips. You also carry this in 3000K warm light, 5000K cool light. Available at 110 volt and 220 volt. For more information, please visit our website at www.brightnexled.com.